Progenex Recovery Post-Workout Supplement Review. Are you looking for post-workout supplement for optimal performance and fast muscle recovery? Progenex Recovery Post-Workout Supplement is a popular product. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Recover faster and stronger. By breaking down high-quality whey protein isolate into fast-absorbing smaller amino acids, Recovery delivers in a matter of minutes, not in hours, what your muscles need to allow faster recovery and rebuilding of muscle strength. Tasty boost. Not only Recovery is great for your muscles, but is also great tasting, and mixes well with water, almond milk, or coconut water, for a post-workout shake. Highest quality ingredients help you recover faster, to allow you to train hard, again, and again. Clinically proven results. Recovery, official sponsor of the CrossFit Games, is used by Olympians, athletes, and CrossFitters. University, clinical trials proved, it helps athletes recover faster, and stronger, than other, generic whey protein isolate, post-workout powders. Only the right ingredients. Ingredients: hydrolyzed whey protein isolate, natural cocoa powder, fructose, L-leucine, L-isoleucine, L-valine, natural flavors, sucralose, contains milk, and soy ingredients. 130 calories, 5 grams sugars, and 22 grams protein, per serving. Money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free today, and if you don't love it, simply return it, and Progenex will refund your money. Based on over 210 customer reviews, and overall 4.6-star rating on Amazon. This is a popular, post-workout supplement for optimal performance and fast muscle recovery. Here is what some of the users have to say about it. Great protein. This product won't let you down. It works as well, it tastes good. There are several flavors to choose from. There hasn't been one flavor that I've tried and didn't dislike. They're all great flavors. It also comes in a resaleable bag to keep product fresh. It's a bit on the spendy side, but if you want quality, you got to pay for quality. Says Andrew. Definite recovery. My CrossFit recently stopped carrying this brand, but I love this brand and flavor. After a rough workout, I usually take this, and after a few minutes, I could do a whole second WOD. I've never really tested it out. Lol. Says Cecilia Calvo. Vanilla is yummy, but the peanut butter smash is amazing. The vanilla is yummy, but the peanut butter smash is amazing. I have noticed a huge difference in my muscle fatigue the next day, even after super intense workouts drinking this. And it tastes great, so it's like a treat for all my hard work. Says Rebecca Hammond. Bit too expensive, lower quality than other high-end brands, and too sweet. Too sweet, and doesn't match the quality for the price, compared to other proteins. After a month with this product, I decided not to purchase this again, since it didn't help with recovery, as well as other products I've tried. I do CrossFit 5 days a week, and run on the weekends, so tend to need a product that can help with recovery, but this just didn't do it for me. Says Victor. Really no better than making your own shake. Everyone at my CrossFit box raves about this stuff, but I used up the whole bag, and can honestly say, I saw no difference in my recovery than before I was using it. I was always making my own post-workout shake, with protein, yogurt, and water. And this is no improvement. Mixing it with the recommended 12 ounces of water is like drinking muck. A bit more water makes it drinkable, but it tastes awful. And is really no better than mixing your own shake with protein powder and other ingredients you like. Save your money. Says Vincent Ianowski. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.